Right. Here we have the welcome to the channel. Today we're going to get UK49 tea time. If it's the first time, you can join our WhatsApp group and subscribe to the channel to join its 100, which is 112. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to this channel. My phone number is 0677729841. And to join, you are only allowed to WhatsApp this number when you want to join, or if you are ready for your watch. Wait. All right. So today we're going to see Teatime strategy, guys. And I want you to be patient and watch the video till the end. Right? In case you want to be a forex trader, this is my forex trading channel, by the way. Of FX with workers. With workers. Ciao for FX with workers. That's my channel. Let's go. All right, for forex traders, huh? All right, so I would like to show you what I was busy with since morning. All right, so you take the last three numbers and you add them together like this. First three, let's do this. All right, let me start weighing here. All right, you take this number, you add them together like this. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6, meaning that 31 plus 36. Then you get the answer. Here it's 4, 7, 13. You write 13 here. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 3 plus 7. No, 3 plus 4 is 7. So meaning that this one is 18, right? So we have a 13, we have also 18. Those will be your first numbers. And since the number, they are in the 10th, you also multiply by 2. 13 multiplied by 2 is 26. 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. When you spin the number, you can see that here we're having 36, 39. 13 also is there. 18 also when you divide. So meaning that this number, you can just make sure you use them to your advantage. All right, so it's gonna give us 13, 18, right? And also 13, 18, you can also do minus with each other, you get 5 as well. Then 13, 18, you multiply and you divide. 13 also we can multiply, right? And 18 you can divide and multiply, which is 36. And 9, when you split the number, getting 31 and 39 and 6. Those are the numbers that you're supposed to play the whole day. Where we got to 36, 39 on tea time, where we got to 9, 13 on lunch time, right? So they give us two numbers, lunch, two numbers, tea. All right, so let's do this again. This is being used in numerical order. Here we have a 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 12 plus 9 is 21. Here we have a 6 and the 10. See, it's going to be 16, right? So we have a 21 and we have also 16. 16 if you multiply by 2, it's gonna be 32, which is sitting here and it's already used. Then we have a 21, and also I told you can do minus. When you do minus 21 and 16, it's gonna give us 5, right? 5 was a delaying number, by the way. 25 and 16. sorry, 21 and 16, right? And since the number is in the 40s, in the 20s, they don't, you can only multiply here, which is 32. 32 already played here. So that's why 21 and the 16 and the 5 remained alone. Right? Remember our 26, which we multiplied previously. Alright, so 26 choose to come here. Because when you multiply that one, it didn't come. But however, again, if you multiply here 32, 32 came already, but you might try 32, and when you might try for 21 is still 42, right? And you spin the number, so we have a 5, 16, 19, 21, or 12, 42, or 24, 32, 5, and 23. Yeah, right? So it's a number. If they don't come, they surely come the next door. So you can always keep your numbers with you. You can see 16, 19 came. 16, 19 came. Remember to divide when is the number divisible. I almost forgot. 16 is 8, and the 24 is sitting there, and the 32, right? So the numbers gave us only the bonus ball here, and our previous multiplication, which is 26, which never show up. So it means that you are keeping your numbers to the next door if they don't all show up, right? So let's say, for example, we have a 21 and 16. When you divide, it gave us 8. When you multiply, is 32, which didn't come, but it still came here, right? Look at here, right? So now 24 and 42, 21 already in use, right? 16, 19, it's already in use, but still 16 is still a missing number because it's supposed to come as it is. It's supposed to do what? It's supposed to come as it is. 21 came as it is, 16 must come as it is. So it didn't come, but also 42, 42 or 42 already came there, right? Then our missing number again is 5. So we have a 5 and a 16. 21 showed up already, and the multiplication of 21 showed up. So that is okay. Let's move, but we have a 12 as well. When you spin it, there is 12. So we are missing 16, 5, and 12, right? But you still add the numbers together from here, right? We have 16, 5, and 12. But then when you add here is 9 and 12. 9 plus 12 is what? 9 and 12 is 21. And 21 is in use. 21 is in use, you can play 22, and 21 as well, you can multiply by 2 is 42, and you spin the number to give you 24. There you go. Since they were similar to the previous one, and they became hot. Then here we're having 7 plus this one, it's 11, right? 7 and that one is 11. 11, how can you, 11 we can put it as a 20, you can just multiply by 2. So we have a 22, which came here. We have 11, which is supposed to show up as it is. We have 11, and when you have a 21, which already played, and the 42. So we are keeping 11, we are keeping a 16 and the 5, right? 11 is 16 and the 5, and then you move it to your next row. So I'm showing you how you play them, and this number you can mostly they are dropping on tea time and on lunch time. All right, so let's go here. 8 plus 9 is 17, right? Then here we having, and when you do minus, remember we have 11 minus 21 is 10. 10 when you do when you spin is 1. All right, so we kept 1. Well, 1, they look at 16, look at 16 it came, look at 5 it came, right? And the 10 as 1 already came, right? Now we have here 5 plus 11 is 16. So meaning that our previous 16 is the value of becoming a banker. 16 is sitting there, right? 16 is sitting there. Now we have a 10 or 1, right? And we have also 9 is 17. Then the number which didn't show up is 17, but 17, remember, as we said, you should multiply by 2. 10, here we have 34, which can be 43, but 34 as it is already played there. Then you have a 43. 43 is playing here, right? So you can see our 5 and the 16 and the 43 sitting in 10 as 1 is sitting there, 4 numbers, right? So meaning 17 as it is still missing. 17 as it is still missing, and 11. All right, let's go. So here we're having 13. 13 because 4 plus 9 is 13, 5 plus 3 is 8. It's gonna give us 21, right? 21 multiplied by 2 is 42 or 24, which are already played, and 21 I played a bonus. You can keep it. Today we are the date 12. Then you have it. Here we have 11, and 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus times 2 is 36, right? So we have a 21, we have a 36, 21 as a 42 as well, and also 36 as 39, right? So the numbers which showed up was 24, 42, and show up 36 is still it has to come back. 21 can come back, 39 showed up here, right? So between 11, 18, 17, or 18 is sitting there. So we have 11, 17, 21, 36. These are the numbers which are still have to show up today, right? So that tricks also work, meaning that me on lunch I got a 17, right? I did the calculate and found this 17. Then 11, 44, and the 22 move together. So since the 22 played many times, we can still have 11 and the 44. There is nothing wrong if they play 11 and the 44, and they just as it is. All right, so let's go. That was the numbers to show. That was the way to show the tricks and the numbers to play on Teatime, and the tricks of keeping your numbers safe. Let's go and see another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just doing from where we started. All right. The other one is only to take these numbers which are sitting here in numerical order. Let me check my book. What I did. Is the machine on? You can put. I'm gonna connect to your Wi-Fi because I think if I don't let you watch it, then you're not gonna allow me to do the video. So, all right. So she like only the cartoon from YouTube and from TV. She doesn't want, but we show her for like 30 minutes, and then we close, or 1 hour we close, so that her eyes will not become a problem. All right. All right, so here we are having this strategy, guys, and it's only once of playing. You take this number and you do the same story as we did. So we have a 20, which is 2 plus 0. We have a 22, which is 2 plus 2. We have a 31, which is 3 plus 1. So you add this number like this. We have a 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. So we have a 10. The answer is 10. Wait, I'm going to see what you do with it. Yeah, so this one is a 10. Then you add 8. When you get 10, you add 8. For example, we getting 8, then it's gonna be 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. Then the next thing The next thing, when you finish to do that, you add 10 again. You add 10 and then it's gonna be 28. Then you do minus each other. So you take these numbers. Remember we have a 10. Then you do minus each other. This one you do like this. We're having 28 is the biggest number. You take a 28 minus the small number, which is the previous, which is 81. But you have to reverse it like this. So we're gonna take 81 minus 28, right? Which is gonna be 11. That one it's gonna be 3. 7 plus minus is a 5, right? So we having 53, right? So we're having a 53. This is a 53 is the number that you can play like this. It's 5. You do reverse, you do minus 10. Remember in the 50s, you do minus. We're going to get 35 plus 10. And also you're going to get for 53 minus 10, which is 43. So your two numbers will be 45 and 43, because the 35 plus 10 is 45. So that's how 45 played. So sometimes you get the number which is good and it give you the straight number. So for example here we are having 4 plus 10 is 14. But I think we did the math the wrong way. How can we get such a big number? 2, 6, 7, 10. I think we did it wrong. Okay, we have a 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28, right? Then 28 multiplied by 2 is 56. 56, because the 56 in the 50 is gonna be 56 minus 10 is 46, and also 81 minus that one is 53. 53 is 35 plus 10, and if 53 is 43. So 45 and 46 is the number that we're supposed to get here. Okay, let's continue. We have a 4 plus 10 is 14 plus 12 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. So that's where 34 come from. We have a 26 and 34. There you go, 26 and 34. Then you take also 34 minus 62, which gonna give us 8, and 5 is 28. So we have also 28, 26, and 34, right? Those are the numbers that you're supposed to play. The minute that you are taking the answer, we have a 26, we have a 34. Then we have also after the addition, we have 18, right? 18, yeah? And also remember to add 10, 36 as well. Yes. So we have a 26 plus 8 is 34, and 26 add 10 is 36, and the 34 plus 10 is 44. Then you take also 44 minus 43. 43 is 1. So we have a 1, 26, 34, 36, which came here as 20. They came here only 44 and the 1 didn't show up, and the 34 on Teatime it showed up there, right? I hope we are understanding. Watch the video till the end, you will understand. Leave it. The machine is not a toy. Leave it. You didn't charge it, so leave it. It was off since yesterday. Alright, so let's go here. Remember that this is what we are doing. We can still do it on lunch and tea time. So we have a 12 plus 6 plus 9, which give us a 15 and 27, right? Then you take that, so 7 plus 8 is 35. 35 is sitting there. Then you add 10 is 45, a 45 already played. But 27 again, you add 10 is 37. So you add 10 on the first number, right? So that way you get the bank. So we have a 37 and a 35. You can see this number, it's coming on tea time. The other thing you do, you can take a 35 minus 27, which by inversing it, it's gonna be 72 minus 35. Let's see what is the answer. 12 minus 5 is 7 here. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 37 was good number. So I think we didn't understand it very well. Let's do it once again. Here we have a 4, 10, which is a 14. 14 plus 11 is 25. So our first number is 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. The 25 plus 10 is 35. Then our 25 35, and this one also you take a 35 33 and the minus 53. So when we do minus, it's gonna be 0. 5 minus 2 is 20. So we have a 20, 25 and 35 and 33. 20, 25, 85 and 33. So in order for us to understand it very well, let's come back here. Yeah, we had 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. All right, so we have a 4 for 8 is a 10. Someone called Charlie. So those are the tricks, guys. So we have a 18, 28, and a 18 again add. So 10 plus, we have a 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. So then when you are doing minus, you will take that 28 because it's a bigger number. You do minus 18, right? It's still gonna be reversed. It's gonna be the same answer. So we have 10, 10, 18, 28, which then T show up, right? So meaning the strategy started showing up there on top. So it's the strategy work 3 or 4 times, then it stopped. So I hope you are busy writing it down. So on tea time, you can still do the same thing. Let's do 3 rows and see what happened. So here we have 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 7 is 24. So our first number is 24. The second number is 24 plus 8, which is 32. Then the third number is 32 plus 10 and 24 plus 10. So we have 34 and 42. Then this number is 42 minus 23 because we take the bigger number minus the previous, because if you add 8 is 32, if you add 10 is 42. 42 you will do minus, for 2 we do minus 32 by reversing it or spinning it, which is 23. So 23, it's gonna be 9. 9 already played as a 6th day. So that's how we got ourselves 24 and 32 on tea time, even 42 on lunch time, right? So let's go to the next one. All right, so 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 13. The answer is 13. 13 is sitting there. They spin to 31. There is a 31 sitting next to you. Then 13 plus 8 is 21. Then 13 plus again 10, it's gonna be 23. 21 again plus 10 is 31. So 31 was only the number which came among them. 13 is sitting there, only 21 didn't show up, and the 23. Let's go. All right, see here we have a 10 and 11, which is 21 plus 13, which is 34. Let's go. We have a 10 plus 11 plus 13. So we have a 21, 31, 34. So our answer is 34. When you add 8, you get a 42. Then 34 when you add 10 is 44. 42 when you add 10 is 52. So we are keeping this number 42, 44, and 34. Those are the numbers, and you add the numbers which we find here, which is 10, 14, 25. So we have a 25, 35, and 33. Right? 25, 35, 33. So these are the numbers that you can pair in 3 numbers. Or if you have a strategy which show you a banker, you can just combine with this one. Thank you so much. These are the tricks which you can win Uk49 lunch, and especially tea time. Bye bye.